In front of me is Nubia Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Collections at the bottom. Either way, when you're ready, hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of and use those dots at the top right corners to select multiple. Then click on the ones that you wish to keep, and to delete the rest, use bin icon at the top of Collections section or at the bottom of Photos one. Then tap on Got It and move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!